On the printer, press the menu button. Use the arrow keys to navigate to Preferences and press OK. Select Network and press OK. Choose Wireless LAN Setup and press OK. Select SSID setting and press OK. Choose Search and press OK. The printer will search for available networks. Select your desired network, SSID, and press OK. Enter your network password using the alphanumeric buttons and press OK. Confirm the password and press OK. The printer will attempt to connect to the network. If successful, a confirmation message will appear. Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type Canon i-SENSYS LBP633Cdw Printer driver and hit enter. From the list of search results, go to the Canon official website. On the product page, click on the Drivers tab. Select your operating system version, example Windows 10, Windows 8.1 or Windows 7 from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and find the driver section. Click on the Select button next to the driver you want to download. Click on the Download button. The driver will start downloading. Save the file to a location on your computer. Once the download is complete, click on it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to complete the installation process. Ensure that your computer connected the same wireless network. The driver installation should automatically recognize the connected printer and complete the setup. You can now use your Canon i-SENSYS LBP633Cdw printer on your Windows computer.